what is of course the holy Ram Mandir complex in Ayodhya, where now the Ram Mandir Trust has been accused of a major land scam. The accusation is that the temple trust bought land for 18.5 crores, which was actually sold just 5 minutes earlier for 2 crores. What makes it even more suspicious is that the two land deals both had the same witnesses.
This nondescript plot of land in Uttar Pradesh's temple town Ayodhya, 5 kilometers from the site of the proposed Ram temple, has become the center of big controversy. After allegations by opposition parties, the Samajwadi Party and the Aam Aadmi Party, that it was bought by the Ram Temple Trust at a massive overvaluation in March this year. So this land over here measures 12,080 square meters, and that is a big area. The allegation from the opposition is that this land here was brought by two property dealers from the original owners for just 2 crore rupees, and within a matter of minutes, just 15 minutes, it was transferred in a sale further ahead to the Ram Janmabhoomi Trust for a whopping 18 crore rupees. So that multi-fold increase in price is under question. The other interesting allegation, of course, is the fact that on both the agreements, the witnesses are same. These papers for the registered agreements for both transactions, released by a local Samajwadi Party leader and not denied by the Temple Trust, list Ayodhya Mayor and BJP leader Rishikesh Upadhyay and Ram Temple Trust member Dr. Anil Mishra as witnesses for both transactions. One between the property dealers and the first owner for 2 crores, and the other between the dealers and the Ram Temple Trust for 18 crores. Ayodhya's mayor claims he did no wrong by appearing as witness for both transactions.
ये राजनीति से प्रेरित है। ट्रस्ट क्लियर करेगा जिन लोगों ने दिया है। मैं तो मेयर के नाते लगभग जो भी मंदिर आए हैं उसमें मैं विटनेस करता हूं, और सब ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन ट्रस्ट करता है, तो उसमें कोई हेरा फेरी इस प्रकार करना उनकी बौखलाहट, जो भ्रम फैलाया गया है वो दूर हो जाएगा।
Late last night, the Temple Trust put out a statement claiming the original buyers of the property dealers, had entered into an agreement with the owner years ago for the price applicable at that time. In March, they formalized it at the same rate and then sold the property to the Temple Trust at the current market price. A lock at the home of the original owner, and no explanation of how the difference between the two transactions carried out within minutes was a staggering 16 crore rupees.
हमको आरोप लगते ही रहते हैं। मैं 100 साल से आरोप ही देख रहे हैं हम लोग। हम पर महात्मा गांधी की हत्या के आरोप से हम चिंता नहीं करते।
At the residence of Ravi Tiwari, one of the brokers involved in both transactions, no word on his whereabouts.
आप क्या उनके बड़े भाई हैं? ये छोटे लेबर है सर। ये तिवारी जी भी प्रॉपर्टी का काम करते हैं। मालूम नहीं, आपको नहीं मालूम?
So this is what happened when we went to one of the residences of one of the property dealers here. There was one gentleman here who simply left the home and escaped and did not tell us where this property dealer was. But one thing to note is that this property dealer lives very, very close to the residence of the Ayodhya mayor, Mr. Upadhyay, just about 100 or 200 meters. Of the two property dealers involved in these transactions, one of them is Mr. Sultan Ansari. This is his residence here in an area called Sutahati in Ayodhya. So we went inside and we asked his staff where he was, but they told us that he left home early in the morning for some property related work and he hasn't come back since. The Uttar Pradesh government only had this to say.
हाथ राम भक्तों के खून से रंगे हैं, वो सलाह ना दें। अगर कोई किसी ने भी गड़बड़ किया होगा, ट्रस्ट उसकी जांच करेगा और जो दोषी होंगे उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी।
But it's unclear how the trust will investigate its own alleged wrongdoing. In Ayodhya with Pramod Srivastav and camera person Vineet Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.